Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get access to Meta Business Suite. To start, just open your Facebook app and then switch into your Facebook page. Now right here on your Facebook page, you can see at the top the menu page. Just tap on that. And then right here you can see different options, but we're going to scroll down until you see also from Meta. And then you can see Meta Business Suite. Just tap on that to access your Meta Business Suite. Now just tap on Use Data Balance. And that's it. You can get access on Meta Business Suite. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.